Hi everyone! I've noticed that a lot of my students use the phrase "I'm wondering" when they're asking for something, which is not quite right. So today I'm going to show you how to use wondering correctly in this way. My name's Stephanie and I'm an English tutor at Britcent. Let's take a look. So instead of saying "I am wondering," you should use the past tense and say "I was wondering." But this doesn't mean that you're talking about the past. It's simply a grammatical structure. So the correct form is subject plus was or were plus wondering. We use "I was wondering" in this way because it's an indirect way of asking a question and therefore it's polite. You can use it in two ways. The first one is for asking someone politely to help you or do you a favour. In this case, the wondering phrase is followed by the word if and the modal verb could plus infinitive. For example, "I was wondering if you could tell me where the cough medicine is, please." I was wondering if you could tell me where the cough medicine is, please. Or, "We were wondering if we could borrow your car tomorrow." We were wondering if we could borrow your car tomorrow. Or, "I was wondering if you could check my homework." I was wondering if you could check my homework. And the second way is for asking someone politely if they would like to do something. In this case, the word could is replaced by the phrase would like to plus infinitive. For instance, "We were wondering if you'd like to come over for dinner." We were wondering if you'd like to come over for dinner. Or, "I was wondering if you'd like to join me for a drink on Friday night." I was wondering if you'd like to join me for a drink on Friday night. Okay, that's all from me for today. I hope this lesson has been useful. The next time you go to use the word wondering in this way, try to remember the examples I've given you today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.